Welcome back. I'm so glad that you're here. So as you know, the last few weeks we've been talking about Botox and Dysport, and today I want to talk a little bit about the different areas on the face and neck that we can inject with Botox and Dysport to get an incredible result for our patients. I'm Rebecca Kelly. I'm a board certified nurse practitioner. I'm the owner of AIYANA Aesthetics. We are a med spa and wellness practice. And let's dive in. So as you know, last time we talked a little bit about the process of getting Botox and Dysport injections. And today I wanted to touch on where can we actually get those injections and what kind of impact can it make after the Botox and Dysport kicks in. So the most common areas that we inject Botox and Dysport are in the top 1/3 of the face. So the forehead lines, the scowl lines, and around the crow's feet. We even do a little bit of underneath the eye, which is kind of my little secret, but I love treating that area. So let's talk about the forehead line. So a lot of our patients come in, and when they're relaxed without making any movement, we can sometimes see lines that are set in the forehead, and that really bothers them when they see that in their photos. So what we can do is we can inject certain little muscles in the forehead that's going to flatten and soften those lines out. And then in turn, when you go to raise your eyebrows, you won't have as strong of a contraction. Just like when I do it, you can't see those lines. Another common treatment area are the scowl lines. Some people will call them the 11s, but a lot of people know them as the scowl lines. So we love to treat that area as well, because some people, when you look at them, they just have that really deep line in the scowl and without making any movement, and that is something that really concerns them. Usually those lines are pretty hereditary, so if your mother or your grandmother or grandparents have them, you can pretty much count on that might be something you're going to inherit as well. I know for myself, my mom has a scowl line, and I knew that was something that I really wanted to make sure that I could prevent happening, and so that's when I started getting my Botox and Dysport treatments. Another common area we treat is the crow's feet, and those are just the lines as you smile. They kind of make the wrinkles along right on the outside of your eye, and that area is a great area to treat because it can lift the eyebrow, it can open everything up and make everybody's eyes look a little bit happier. So I love treating that area. We talked about my secret sauce. The area underneath the eye is another area that's great to treat when somebody smiles and they get a lot of those tiny little wrinkles there. We can actually soften that out, and it's going to smooth out that skin and again just open everything up. So some other unique places that we treat, we can do a little lip flip, which is going to increase the surface area of the lip. We can treat on the baseline of the nose. That's going to treat a gummy smile. So if you smile and you have a lot of gum showing, we can add a little bit of Botox or Dysport right there, and that will just soften that, and it won't allow your lip to raise as much when you smile. Another area that's common to treat is along the neck. So when you make these, you get these little neck lines here, or some people call it their turkey neck. We can actually smooth all of that out, and it can soften that area. And then I know I've talked a lot about TMJ, but we can also treat those masseters if you have a grinding and clenching problem and pain in that area. All right, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for joining me. Be sure to like and subscribe and comment below, and then of course share this with your friends and family. We'll see you next time.